Today we're making oatmeal sandwich cookies. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today I thought I'd try something different. I'm actually going to make this recipe for the first time. Never made it, it's fall, I always like to experiment. So we're going to see how this one goes. Might go well, might not, and the ingredients will be listed down below, but let's get started. It is super easy. Okay, so I'm going to put my butter and my sugar into my mixer. To that, I'm going to add a good pinch of sea salt, my egg, vanilla. About this time, I like to give it a good scrape. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mix together baking soda, baking powder, flour, and cinnamon. Then on low, I'm going to add this mixture to our wet ingredients. As that starts to come together, I'm going to add my quick oats and then 2 tablespoons of hot water. Scrape that down. Then we're going to drop this by the heaping tablespoon onto I have a silicone line pad, but you can use a parchment line pad. You want to space those out to be about 2 inches apart. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these for about 10 minutes or until the edges start turning nice and sort of golden brown. So what we're going to do now, as our cookies are chilling, we are going to make our filling. Our filling consists of powdered sugar, butter. You want to mix those together until they are a nice consistency for filling. Vanilla and whipping cream. Yeah, it's that simple. Let me get the cookies. My cookies are completely cooled. Completely cooled. Now, the recipe says you're supposed to take about a tablespoon. Yeah, we'll see. Spread that on your cookie, then top with another cookie. I think this produces way more icing than I'm going to need. I should have matched these up for size first. Definitely more filling than what I needed. However, I'd rather have more than what I need than the infamous, as you're scraping for the last one, yeah. Oh no, I have a lone cookie. I guess I'll have to eat that one. Alright, let's give these a taste. These really do taste like oatmeal cookies. You know, those oatmeal sandwich cookies. They are not as soft, they are more crispy, but they are so good. They have that cinnamon taste. I mean, these are amazing. If you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I love this recipe. This was so good, and I'm so surprised at how good it came out. How well it came out. I really did like this. I hope I get to see you again next time. And check out these videos that I made just for you.